Welcome back to Rayan channel. Today we start an exciting journey to explore one of the rarest visitors to our solar system. Now we can see Atlas entering our solar system, its glowing path cutting through cosmic dust. Here we see Atlas's path curving around the sun, with dust and debris trailing along its interstellar journey.
As Atlas approaches the sun, its nucleus starts to break apart, leaving a glowing trail of fragments drifting through space.
We can now observe Atlas releasing gas and dust, forming its first faint ion tail as it travels past the sun. Atlas's tails now stretch farther, with dust and ion particles tracing its path, showing the dynamic forces at work in space.
Atlas now passes near the inner planets, its tails sweeping through space, revealing its interaction with solar radiation and particles.
Here we get a close view of Atlas's nucleus, surrounded by dust and ion particles streaming along its interstellar path.
Atlas continues to fragment, sending streams of dust and gas into space, creating intricate particle trails along its path.
Sunlight now illuminates Atlas's fragments, revealing the glowing dust and ion tails curving through space. Now the debris field spreads wider, with dust and ion particles interacting along the paths of Atlas's fragments. Atlas fragments now approach the inner planets, their glowing tails sweeping across the solar system as they interact with solar forces. Atlas fragments draw closer to Earth's orbit, their glowing tails highlighting the dynamic journey of interstellar debris. The fragments shine brightly as sunlight strikes them, scattering dust and ion particles along their interstellar paths. Solar magnetic forces begin to bend the dust and ion tails, guiding Atlas's fragments along twisting paths through space.
Fragments of Atlas now draw closer to Earth's orbit, their glowing tails bending and twisting under sunlight and solar forces.
Fragments of Atlas now sweep past multiple planets, with dust and ion tails bending under sunlight and gravitational influences. Approaching Earth, Atlas's fragments begin forming bright dust streams, hinting at potential meteor showers. As Atlas fragments near Earth, the dust and ion tails intensify, creating a vivid display of particles guided by solar forces. Atlas fragments reach their closest approach to Earth's orbit, with dust and ion tails swirling dramatically under sunlight and solar forces.
After closest approach, Atlas fragments move away, stretching their dust and ion tails into long, luminous streams. Smaller fragments spread out, their dust trails forming extended, luminous meteor streams across the orbital plane. As Atlas's fragments move forward, particle streams become denser, and sunlight sparkles off the glowing dust trails.
Farther from Earth's orbit, Atlas's smallest debris twists together, creating intricate, shifting patterns in space. The debris widens into a broad corridor, with dust streams stretching far beyond the comet's fading fragments. Farther along its path, Atlas's debris expands into overlapping layers, forming wider and more complex meteor streams.